There is a biggest announcement for CBS class 12 student that CBSE class 12 board exam 2021 latest update. Education Minister Nisank likely to take final decision on May 17. Read details. Class 12 board exam 2021 latest updates report claimed that Nisank might take a final call regarding the conduction of class 12 board exam after interacting with education secretaries of all states on Monday. New Delhi amid growing demand for cancellation of class 12th board exam 2021 in the wake of the surging coronavirus cases across the country. Union Education Minister Ramesh Ponkhariyal Nisank will hold a crucial meeting on May 17. Report claimed that Nisank might take a final call regarding the conduction of class 12th board exam after interacting with education secretaries of all states on Monday. In the virtual meeting, the minister will review the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the education sector. Besides, he will also discuss the promotion of online education and the implementation of the new economic education policy NAP. Union Education Minister Ramesh Ponkhariyal Nisank will meet virtually all state education secretaries on Monday. The top agenda of the meeting will be COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on education, promotion of online education, implementation of the new education policy, and preparation made by state's education minister, source told ANI. In the wake of second wave of COVID-19, the Union Education Minister last month cancelled the class 10 CBSE board exam and postponed the class CBSE 12th board exam class 12th that were scheduled to begin from May 4, 2021. Earlier, the Minister of Education and CBSE had rubbished reports will claim that the board exam is planning to scrap cancel class 12th exam. Discussion regarding the same are still underway. No such decision has been taken regarding class 12th examination as being speculated in certain section of media. Any decision taken in this matter will be officially communicated to the public, a minister official said. A CBSE official had also dismissed reports saying that any decision taken in the matter cancellation of class 12th board exam will be officially communicated to the public. Yesterday, a petition was also filed in Supreme Court seeking the cancellation of class 12th board exam. Conducting class 12th board examination is not possible because of surging COVID-19 cases. Even an online and offline examination not feasible because of the pandemic. Delay in the regulation of class 12 result will hamper a student taking admission in foreign university. The plea filed by advocate Mamta Sharma read. CBSE and CIC must devise an object methodology to declare the result within a specified time. Otherwise, it will affect around 12 lakh students, it added.